Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Weather channel. In this video we're going to talk about that soft landing, or at least the potential for a soft landing as the Bitcoin price starts to step its way down, back down below the future halving price. As we mentioned in our previous videos, the Bitcoin price, it always goes up above the future halving price, but then it always comes back down below the future halving price before the halving here. So a soft landing is basically, when the price starts to move down towards the downside or back down towards the downside in a slow, sort of step down sort of matter. And there is no, dramatic drop in the price. There's no falling off of a cliff, like we saw back in 2019 or 2020, rather, during the pandemic. So we're expecting the Bitcoin price to step its way down below the future halving price before the halving. And there's a few price areas, I'll call them, that we're looking at as the Bitcoin price makes its way down. So we have the first we have the future halving curve here, and then if things get really bad, then possibly even the bottom edge of the cumulus triangles there. And then if we were to have some sort of really extremely bearish unexpected event, black swan type event, sort of like the coronavirus again, we would be looking at the BMO, the bull market open price line down here, and even the La Nina line down here. And the La Nina line is definitely something we would pay very closely attention to if we were to have some sort of black swan event, because if we were to go down below that line, that would that would be pretty significant, because if you remember from the video on the La Nina line, the Bitcoin price has never gone back below that line once it was established. And it doesn't happen every cycle, but when there is a La Nina line in a cycle, the Bitcoin price has never gone back below it. So that would be interesting if we did come back down towards that area, in sort of, any sort of a black swan event. So just to, remember, we are short-term bearish, short-term bearish on Bitcoin up until, the halving, wherever it's going to be around in this area here, around that price range and date range. We are bearish, short-term bearish on Bitcoin up until that point. And those are some of the, some of the price targets that we're going to be looking at as we, start to make our way down, coming off of that pre-halving pump there. And then obviously, after the halving, we'll be looking to move back up towards the upside here. So that's those are the price areas that we're looking at. We will definitely keep you posted as the situation develops, and thanks for watching.